Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. So how are you guys? I think you guys are doing well, right? So it's a very good morning today, and I'm going to talk with you guys. And today I'm going to share with you something that is very important and very market demanding technology in today's job market. So right now, I'm going to give you the information about DevOps. We all know about DevOps. So we have learned the term DevOps. So what is DevOps? Do you have any idea, guys? So I'm going to give you that idea. DevOps means development and applications, right? So what is mean how it applied in IT industry? Today I'm going to talk about this. Okay, so I'm going to show you that information. I'm going to share my screen with you. You can see that. So the DevOps is the combination of two words, what I have already said to you. One is development and other one is operations. It is the culture to promote the development and operations process collectively. The DevOps tutorial will help you to learn DevOps basics and provide depth knowledge of various DevOps tools such as Git, Ansible, Docker, Puppet, Jenkins, Shape, Nagios, and Kubernetes. Okay, so what is DevOps? That you guys need to know, right? So I'm going to give you that knowledge. The DevOps is the combination of two words. One is software development and the second one is operations. This allows a single team to handle the entire application life cycle from development to testing, deployment, and operations. DevOps helps you to reduce the disconnection between software developers, quality assurance engineers, and system administrators. So what is DevOps? DevOps, here is it is a picture that you can you can see that it portrayed it very well. Okay, the first one is developers and testers, and the second one is IT operations. The amalgamation of both of them is portrayed in very well way. DevOps promotes collaboration between development and operations team to deploy code to production faster in an automated and repeatable way. DevOps helps to increase organization speed to deliver applications and services. It also allows organizations to serve their customers better and compare more strongly in the market. DevOps can also be defined as a sequence of development and IT operations with better communication and collaboration. DevOps has become one of the most valuable business disciplines for enterprises or organizations. With the help of DevOps, quality and speed of the application delivery has improved to a great extent. DevOps is nothing but a practice or methodology of making developers and operations folks work together. DevOps represents a change in the IT culture with a complete focus on rapid IT service delivery through the adoption of agile practices in the context of system oriented approach. Before that, it was waterfall module. Right now, we are working in agile module. Okay. DevOps is all about the integration of the operations and development process. Organizations that have adopted DevOps noticed a 22% improvement in software quality and a 17% improvement in application deployment frequency and achieve a 22% hike in customer satisfaction. 19% of revenue hikes as a result of the successful DevOps implementation. 19% of revenue hikes as a result of the successful DevOps implementation. Why DevOps? Before going further, we need to understand why we need the DevOps over the other methods. The operation and development team worked in complete isolation. After the design, build, the testing, and the deployment are promoted respectively. That's why they consumed more time than our actual build cycles. Without the use of DevOps, the team members are spending a large amount of time on designing, testing, deploying instead of building the project. Manual code development leads to human errors in production. Coding and operation terms has their separate timelines and are not in sync, causing further delays. So, DevOps history. Right now, I'm going to talk about the history of DevOps, how DevOps explored. In 2009, the first conference named DevOps Days was held in Ghent, Belgium. Belgian consultant and Patrick Debois founded the conference. In 2022, the State of DevOps report was launched and convened by Alana Brown and Puppet. In 2014, the annual State of DevOps report, as published by Nicole Fortgen, James Humble, Jenny Kim, and others. They found DevOps adoption was accelerating in 2014 also. In 2015, Nicole Fortgen, Jenny Kim, and James Humble founded DORA, DevOps Research and Assignment. In 2017, Nicole Fortgen, Jen Kim, and Jen Humble published Accelerate Building and Scaling High Performing Technology Organizations. DevOps architecture features. Here are some key features of DevOps architecture, such as automation, configuration management, integration, collaboration. And the total thing is DevOps architecture features. The first one is automation. Automation can reduce time consumption, especially during the testing and deployment phase. The productivity increases and releases are made quicker by automation. This will lead in catching bugs quickly so that it can be fixed easily. For contagious delivery, each code is defined through automated tests, cloud-based services, and builds. This promotes production using automated deployers. So collaboration. The DevOps development and operations team collaborates as a DevOps team, which improves the culture model as the term because more productive with their productivity, which strengthens accountability and ownership. The terms share their responsibilities and work closely in sync, which in turn makes the deployment to production faster. Integration. Applications need to be integrated with other components in the environment. The integration phase is where the existing code is combined with new functionality and then tested. Contagious integration and testing enable contagious development. The frequency in the releases and microservices leads to significant operational changes. To overcome such problems, contagious integration and delivery are implemented to deliver in a quicker, safer, and reliable manner. Configuration management. It ensures the application to interact with only those resources that are concerned with the environment in which it runs. The configuration files are not created where the external configuration to the application is separated from the source code. The configuration file can be written during deployment, or the other can be loaded at the runtime, depending on the environment in which it is running. DevOps advantage and disadvantage. That is, we also need to know. Here are some advantages and disadvantages that DevOps can have for business. Such as advantages, DevOps is an excellent approach for quick development and deployment of application. It responds faster to the market changes to improve business growth. DevOps accelerate business profit by decreasing software delivery time and transportation costs. DevOps clears the descriptive process, which gives clarity on product development and delivery. It improves customer experience and satisfaction. DevOps simplifies collaboration and places all tools in the cloud for customers to access. DevOps means collective responsibility, which leads to better team management, team engagement, and productivity. What is the disadvantages of DevOps? DevOps professionals are experts, developers, and less available. Developing with DevOps is so expensive. Adapting the new DevOps technology into the industries is hard to manage in short time. Lack of DevOps knowledge can be a problem in the continuous integration and of automated automation projects. What is the prerequisites to learn DevOps? To learn DevOps, you should have basic knowledge of Linux and at least one scripting language.